ठीक है। हाउस ऑफ टेक इंग्लिश के लिए वीडियो है, हाउ टू शो बैटरी परसेंटेज इन मैक। स्टार्ट। How to show battery percentage in Mac if you are using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac. The steps are repeat MacBook Pro. How to show battery percentage on Mac if you are using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. The steps are going to be same. Now, if you think that showing battery percentage is very easy, then you are wrong, because if you open system settings and if you go directly in battery option over here, you won't find showing battery percentage option anywhere. So you get the first option of low power mode. You can check your battery health over here. Even in that, you can see there is no battery percentage option. And if you go in options over here at the bottom, here also you can check out there is no option for showing battery percentage. Then where can you show battery percentage over here? So for that, all you need to do is you need to go in control center over here, and once you go in control center, you can just scroll down and you can check for battery option over here. Now the first option is show in menu bar. Currently the toggle is on, which is why the battery status is showing in menu bar. If I turn that off, you can see the battery icon has gone. So to check the battery icon, you can just turn on this option, show in menu bar. Now if you want an option to be visible in control center like battery, you can turn this toggle on, and below that you can see there is an option of show percentage. The toggle is off, and as soon as I turn this toggle on, you can see currently it is showing me the battery percentage. So yeah, this is how you can show battery percentage in Mac. You won't find that option in battery. You can just simply go in control center, scroll down, and under battery over here you can turn on this toggle. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.